Hello, what is up, guys? Today I come to you with terrible news. I am broke. I am totally broke, and if I continue living the way I am right now, I will be in the streets in 1 month, maybe 2 months, but very, very soon. So I need to stop spending as much money. To do so, I made a list of absolutely all of my spendings. Every single thing I spent money on in this last month, I have named it in this list. So if I spend $5 at Starbucks, I put it on the list. If I spend $2 on Uber, I put it on the list. Absolutely everything. And I'm gonna see what I can cut from the list in order to not end up homeless. So here's the list. Don't mind the little spots down there. It isn't anything disgusting. It's just that earlier I was watching porn and I didn't have any more tissues, so I used this instead. Anyways, I know your first reaction to seeing this list is to be like, oh my god! There's no way you can cut anything from that list. Those are both absolute essentials. Well, yeah, that's kind of true, but you know how it goes, man. Hard times equals difficult decisions. And the fact of the matter is, my absolute dream in life is to compete in the Beyblade World Championship, become a professional athlete. And if I stop spending on Beyblades, that's just not gonna happen. So, I'm going to stop spending on Supreme shirts. But obviously, I can't just stop wearing Supreme. I never leave the house without my Supreme, guys. I mean, I just never leave the house, so that has nothing to do with Supreme. But you get the point. The point is, I like wearing Supreme shirts. So how exactly am I gonna continue wearing Supreme shirts without buying any? Well, very simple. I am going to make my own Supreme shirts. That's right, you heard me. Like, whoa, how did you get that idea? Yes, I'm smart. So this video will now be a tutorial on how exactly to make your own Supreme shirts. Okay, so first thing we're gonna need to make our own Supreme shirt is, you'll never guess this one, guys, a shirt. That's right. How did you guess? You're so smart. Oh my god. Anyways, yes, we need our shirt. And the Supreme shirt we're gonna replicate is the basic one, of course, because that's the one I like and the one everyone likes. To do so, we are going to need a plain red shirt. That's right, we have it right here. It needs to be red because obviously the Supreme logo is red, and there's no other way you could possibly get the color of the logo. So, plain red shirt it is, guys. And now you're asking me, well, how are we gonna get the white? Well, it's very simple. We're just gonna paint over the entire shirt except the area of the logo to have the white. I already put a little bit of paint on it by accident, you can see, but that's not a big deal because we're gonna recover it entirely in paint now. So let's get to the painting.
I really like this song. It sounds good. Mine in a way. I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway. In this Minecraft day, so beautiful. Further down. What's that I found? Mine diamonds. Mine diamonds.
Okay, that should be it. Now we are going to wait for it to dry before we continue this video. It's taking a long time to dry, so I thought while I wait I would make the logo. So I'm gonna make it with a piece of paper. Here's the piece of paper, and obviously first we're gonna need to cut it to the proportions of the logo. For that I got these scissors, that way I can hold the paper while I cut it with my hands. Okay, cool. These are the exact proportions. I calculated them just before, and now I will draw the logo on here. Boom, done. Here it is, guys. Looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Okay, now I just need to wait until the shirt is fully dry, which is gonna be soon. I'm gonna stick the logo on there, and we're gonna be done. Okay, looking great. Here it is. A homemade Supreme shirt. I'm gonna wear it. Oh no. Well, guess I'm not gonna wear it. Bye. Psych! Here I am with the shirt on. Looking pretty damn good. And the shirt isn't looking that bad either. That's right. $5 only. Okay, I just improved it one last time right now. And as I did that, I realized I spelled Supreme wrong. Which is pretty unfortunate because if I hadn't, I'm pretty sure you literally couldn't tell the difference between this and a real Supreme shirt. But whatever. Looking pretty sexy. That's gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe.